All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to actually do a follow-up video on the food for Patriots. Today I'm actually going to cook it. I totally forgot about it until somebody reminded me the other day. So we're going to cook this stuff up today and let y'all know how it tastes. This is the free one they offer, 72-hour food supply, and just pay shipping. I don't remember what the shipping was, but you can watch the other video, it'll tell you. But today we're going to cook up, this is blue ribbon creamy chicken rice, Granny's Homestyle potato soup, and we got this Maple Grove oatmeal. I went ahead and got the water in the pots for the creamy chicken rice. It says bring it to a boil, 4 1/4 cups. Bring it to a boil, and then for the Homestyle potato soup, bring to a boil 4 1/2 cups of water. Whisk in the contents, let simmer on low 15 to 20 minutes. Whisk in the contents, let simmer on low for 20 minutes, stirring frequently. Stirring frequently. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. I'm guessing they have been doing a whole lot of promoting and pushing their product because the ads have been popping up a lot everywhere. And somebody who saw one of the ads had previously seen my video, which is why they asked me if I had ever tried it, if I had actually cooked it and seen what it was worth or how it tasted. And then they messaged me to let me know, hey, I keep seeing this stuff and I would like to try it, and so get off your butt and make the video. So, alright, that's what I'm doing. But I'm going to get all this stuff boiling right quick. I'm going to go ahead and whisk everything in once it gets boiling, but I'm not going to sit here and talk to you till the water boils, because a watch pot never boils, and y'all don't want to sit here and stare at me make this video and talk about nothing. But a few things coming up. Hopefully I might be getting some new camera gear. Looking forward to that. I've had a lot of issues with computers, so if you know anybody that has a really nice computer laying around they want to donate to you, brother, here, let me know. But no, I'm supposed to be getting a new computer. I don't know when he said he was going to get it for me sometime soon. I actually had to order a new modem. The modem in my house is taking a dump. It ain't working either. So that's the reason why we ain't been pumping videos. Had a lot of stuff going on, a lot of technical issues with everything. So hopefully the modem's on order. It should be here the 15th. My buddy came and fixed the computer a little bit, and so we're getting some videos going to be able to upload now. But y'all do me a favor, stick around. I'll get this camera turned back on when these things get ready to boil, and we'll be right back. Y'all hang on. Alright, we got a rolling boil going on this one first. We're going to open this blue ribbon creamy chicken rice. That's what it's called. I don't know if y'all see that. And it does have the cool little easy tear mark. Nah, that's something I was curious about. That's perfect. It does have a resealable bag, because how many servings is this? This says 4 servings, so you can actually break this up into smaller servings. But me and the kid are both hungry, so we're going to go ahead and cook it all. But add a rolling bowl, start pouring this in, whisk it in, what it says. But I'm sure it ain't going to matter as long as it gets in there. Oh, it also says remove the oxygen thing, which I did not. Boom. We're going to take that out of there. Land it right there. Oh, that's hot. Yeah, we ain't going to edit that out either. Whisk all that in there. Whisk all that in there. I think it was actually step number 1. Open pouch and remove oxygen absorber. Probably should have read the first direction. But like I said, it does have a resealable pouch in case y'all want to know, so you don't have to cook all of it at one time. Now this one's coming to a boil. Granny's Homestyle potato soup going in. Step number 1, open pouch and remove oxygen absorber. This one does not seem to have a tear spot, and it is not resealable. Let's move that down to low to simmer like the pack says. Yeah, this one is not resealable, the soup one. So we're going to pour that in there. There we go. Make it easy to remove the thing just like that. Didn't have to dig in there for it. Probably not how you're supposed to do it though. Now both of them said let simmer 15-20 minutes on low. So that's what we're going to do. They both did say stir frequently, so that's what we're going to do too. Get them both on low. Alright. Now, don't reckon y'all want to sit here and watch me stir soup for 20 minutes. So, make sure you remove the oxygen absorber from the pack first. That is step number 1. I didn't feel like digging in there, so on both of them, first one I did mess up. I'm not going to edit that one out. The second one I just dumped it in there. The powder, the little packet landed on top of all the powder, pulled it out. So we're going to hit the clock, let this simmer for 15-20 minutes, and then both of them say let stand for 2 to 3 minutes to thicken before serving. So I reckon in about 15 to 23 minutes, we're going to try this stuff out and see if it's yummy to our tummies, and go from there. So I'm going to clean up a little bit, get all this trash thrown away, and I'm going to pause this thing because y'all don't need to sit here and watch me do this for 15-20 minutes. Alright, y'all. Hold on to your britches. Alright, I guess we'll do the oatmeal too, at least one serving, try it. Now this bag does not appear to have any kind of resealable anything's in it. It says 8 servings per container. Open pipes, remove oxygen absorber. Bring 1 cup of water to a bowl and stir in a half a cup of oatmeal. Cook for 1 minute, stirring occasionally, remove from heat, and let stand for 1 minute before serving. Now my problem with this, okay, you're going to have to take this out of here, and you're not going to be able to reuse this bag. You're going to have to stick it in individual bags, unless you want to cook 8 servings for 8 friends. But right here on the directions, it tells you how to cook 1 serving at a time. So I went ahead and I got this little small one in here. I'm going to bring it to a bowl, and I'm going to mix in a half a cup of oatmeal into it once it comes to a boil. And then I'm going to have to get Ziploc bags to put the rest of this in, because this is not a resealable bag, and I am not fixing to cook 8 servings of oatmeal. Not going to happen. So, food for Patriots, do a resealable bag for your oatmeal. If I like it, I'll really recommend it. If not, I don't care, but we're going to find out here in just a minute. So I guess I'm going to scoop out a half a cup and get that ready for the hot boiling water for the oatmeal, and I'll let y'all know how that tastes. Now keep stirring this. When it says stir occasionally, no, I think it said occasionally, I'll throw it away. Whatever it means stir frequently, because this stuff gets pretty set up and it likes to keep clumping together. So I don't reckon that's a bad thing, depends on how you like it, but you do have to stir pretty regular. If I wasn't on my stove, that'd be a lot more difficult to do on a fire, trying to keep that constant heat, trying to keep it stirred. But either way, I'm going to pause you again, and I'll let you know here in just a minute how all this is going. Alright, I'll go ahead and turn it back on. These aren't done yet, but the oatmeal is. Now, I've never been a big oatmeal fan. These are maple oatmeal. And I tasted it a second ago, and it tasted like maple syrup, but it was a little bland. I ain't gonna lie, I threw a little bit of salt in it. It's still pretty hot. 1 minute cook time, let it sit for a minute or two. And if you like oatmeal, I think you'd like this. It's not too bad. Be pretty good biscuits in the morning. Maybe throw it in some bacon or some sausage, but as oatmeal, it's pretty decent oatmeal. And it got real tender real quick. It only boiled for 1 minute. But here's the thing. It says a half a cup is a serving, and it says there's 8 servings. That's a half a cup right there. I bagged 6 bags with a half a cup exactly each in there. So that's 3, 6, 7. Only got 7 servings. It says 8 on the bag. 8 half cup servings. Well, I got 7 half cup servings. So there's that. There should always be more than whatever it says. If it says there's 8 servings at a half a cup, when I measure that out exactly to a half a cup, I should get 8 and a half servings if you're good business. But so there's that. These are still cooking. They're still stirring. They've gotten pretty thick pretty quick. We still got about, I think, 7 or 8 minutes to go before we let it rest. And then, oh, this potato soup is actually looking really good, really creamy, really thick. So, all right, y'all, we'll be right back here in just a second. All right, y'all, I got my little girl and my brother Todd. Everything's cooked, everything's set. I'm gonna get them to taste it too, so it's just not my opinion. We got the creamy chicken, whatever, blue ribbon creamy chicken and rice, and we got the potato soup stuff. So y'all try it, and we're gonna see how it tastes in front of the camera here. Which one y'all try? The rice?
Mm-hmm.
I like the rice.
It is actually good.
What you think, kid?
Tastes like that rice-a-roni stuff.
Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, it's almost like rice and roni. So far, the chicken creamy rice is pretty good. Todd said so. Grace said so.
Mm-hmm.
And Grace said, yeah, that's not bad. And she don't like none of that stuff.
Pickiest eater in the world.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
How about the soup? Let's see here.
Where's
Hot.
Where's some more vegan?
Oh, that tastes like real potato.
Need shredded cheese and it's in there.
And it needs some shredded cheese and maybe a little salt. But it's not. It actually tastes like real potato.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Yeah, those potato slices you get. It's not chips. The cute little potato slices.
Yeah.
That's kind of what it tastes like.
Yeah, like real potato, like the little small slices that you can get.
Yeah.
All right, there, folks. Well, that is our personal opinion. The chicken and rice was the best. The potato soup needs like a little bit of salt, maybe some cheese. But Todd said he liked it. The kid liked both of them. I kind of like them. I think I like both of them. My favorite's got to be the chicken and rice.
The oatmeal would probably taste better if I liked it.
She doesn't really like oatmeal, but Todd said the oatmeal tastes really good. He likes oatmeal, and I could eat it. It's not bad for a good breakfast. Like I said, make some sausage or some bacon with it. It'd be even better.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to eat these in my room now.
You're going to eat those? All right, well, she's going to finish her bowls. We're going to finish eating our food. But that's it, folks. So far, what I've gotten from Food for Patriots, right there, just these 3 different things, is actually really good. I haven't tried any of the other meals, but so far I would recommend that if you want something to store food with, go ahead and get some of this. They're running a free. Now, I'll go ahead and tell you, watch my first video about this. They offer you the free thing, and you can get the free thing, just pay shipping. That's what I did. But when you're trying to check out, they're going to try to sell you a 3 months, a 3 year. They're going to try to sell you everything. You can keep declining it and get the free stuff for just shipping. But if you're one of those preppers who wants a whole bunch of food stockpiled up so far, this food is really good. My brother just got another scoop and he's about finishing his bowl, so we like it. But that's all for today, folks. We appreciate y'all. Do me a favor, like it, subscribe, share with your buddies, tell your friends, promote us out there. God bless and have a wonderful weekend. Thank y'all very much. All right now.